should have got a rubber band to put my hair in a ponytail. My eyebrows are not the same at all today. I don't know why, but they're not. Today I'm going to be using the Profusion Mixed Metals Peach Palette. There's 9 matte, it says matte and metallic eyeshadows. And this was actually a Christmas gift from my babe. And he's actually down here on the phone right now. But I need to take this plastic off. Okay, it's right here. I opened it, but I didn't fully open it, so we're just gonna try and get this open, and my nails are in the way. I actually like how Profusion actually really updated their packaging. It actually looks really more professional and like high quality. It comes with a really nice big mirror, and these are the shades. So I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for today, but we're just gonna wing it. And it also came with this Profusion brush, which is actually looks like a really nice quality brush. So I think I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this shade, and it's called Outgoing, and I'm actually gonna put this all over my lid. Hey. What shade do I want to take next? I think I'm going to take the dark brown here, and it's called Special. Yeah. I guess I'm just going to use the same brush for all these shadows today. So. Not as dark as I thought it would be, but I'm pretty sure I can build it up some. Oh yeah, it's building up, so hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, that brown wasn't as dark as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still pretty nice. I like it. Now I think I'm gonna take Outspoken, which is right here. Probably isn't a good idea to keep using the same brush, but we're gonna do what we gotta do today. I'm just gonna kind of add that right near that. Alright, and I think I'm going to take the metallic. There's only 2 metallic shades in here, and it's those 2. And I think I'm going to take Certain, which is like this brown shade. I'm actually going to take this Wet n Wild flat brush for this. Oh, it looks really cute. Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is nice. I actually really like this color. Super gorgeous. At shades, they're like, you can't really tell because they're like super light, but they're still really good. I'm actually gonna add a little bit. Oh, no. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that brown at the top here to see if I can bring that out just a little bit more. Alright, so far so good with this palette. I really like the metallics in here, so I wish it had more than just 2 metallics in it, but really nice. Now, I'm just going to do the rest of my face. Super crazy right now, but it's okay. We're gonna just go ahead and blend this out. Make sure I don't mess up these eyebrows because I already look crazy because one eyebrow is like, has like that point to it today, and I don't know what to do for it. So, but my hair is going to pretty much cover this side of my face. I do need to get some new foundations, so if you guys know any good foundations that I should try, just let me know in the comments because I really need some new ones. I kind of wanted to keep this like a natural type of look, so I'm not going to add too much of this light ivory today. I'm just going to add like 2 little dots and blend that out. I'm sorry I keep looking to the side because I need to buy a little table because I have to have everything sitting on my bed right now, but it's cool. Yeah, that looks perfect. It actually looks perfect. Take this Beauty Essentials Kabuki brush and I'm just going to swirl this around my face. So my face is looking a little light and I don't know why. It looks that way on camera, but it's not that light in person, I swear. Skin illuminator. I used this once for a video for you guys, but the video turned out horrible. So we're gonna just retest this out. I really hate the packaging. Like, do you guys see this? It's a weird packaging, but we're gonna try and make this work. This is too much. Okay. I've never used a liquid highlighter before, so this is new to me. It doesn't look that bad though. It's just the point of getting it. And I have noticed that this kind dries really quickly, so I have to work fast with it once I put it on my face. And then we just gotta do the other side. And this is like leaking out really fast and making a huge mess. And I don't like that. Okay, I think I literally hate this highlighter. I don't think I like this at all. One, I hate the packaging. It looks like the old like lip gloss packaging. So I don't know why they thought this was a good idea. And you can't, it's not even that great on my skin at all. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's just, ugh, I don't know. It's just something about it I don't like. But I'm just gonna keep going. And I'm just gonna go back with the palette and put some shadow at the bottom. And I think I'm just gonna take Outspoken and put that on the lower lash. And I'm gonna just take this mascara and put this on my lower lashes. For my lips, and that with that eyeshadow palette, it came with this metallic lipstick. And it says Metallic Peach at the bottom. And it came with this matte lip liner, which is in Matte Peach also. This pencil is actually really creamy. I thought it was gonna feel drying, but it doesn't. Okay. Well, this lip liner looks really out there right now, but I don't know how I feel about this lip color. It's okay. I really do love this eyeshadow palette. The mattes, like I said, they're not as pigmented, but they do give you some color, and I just love the two like metallic shades that they have in here, and I absolutely love the mirror. The lip liner, it was very creamy. It wasn't drying at all. So I do like that. I just don't know about the color on me per se. And this metallic lipstick is not sticky. So that's really good compared to some metallic lipsticks. They tend to dry down really sticky. But that didn't. So yeah, this is how the look turned out. And yeah. So that's pretty much all for this video, you guys. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And I will see you guys next time.